Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are required to expand and simplify the following. Well, you could do it like p minus 7q times p minus 7q. That's perfectly fine. But Mr. Tan, remember that a minus b bracket square is equals to a square minus 2 times a and b plus b square. And because Mr. Tan remember this, I am going to apply this into my solution. So my B. And just substitute nicely in. And therefore you will see me writing P bracket square minus 2. Why got minus 2? Because in this formula there is minus 2 times P times B, in this case 7Q, plus my 7Q square. So that final answer, P square minus 2 times 7 is 14, P times Q is PQ, 7Q times 7Q, 7 times 7, very good, 49, Q times Q, Q square. Alright, and we are done with this problem. Let's move on to the next problem.